Hey Softies, welcome back to another video. The amount of pink in this room is insane, I know, but I'm currently getting ready to go for drinks with a prospective friend from Namibia. I'm just gonna go for drinks. I'm not sure if we're having dinner or not. I need to tie this up, but it's basically just drinks. And she's currently doing her internship in Stellenbosch. Time right now is 5:44. We're meeting at 6, so I need to leave very soon. I feel like making friends in your 20s should honestly not be difficult, but for somebody with social anxiety like myself, it is difficult because every time I'm in public, literally all I want is to leave, to come back to my room and be by myself. But then when I'm by myself, I'm like, it would be really nice to have friends. So I don't know, I'd really like to experience having girlfriends in my 20s because I feel like it makes navigating life easier. It's very hot today. Yesterday was 36 degrees. I didn't check the weather for today, but I think it is in the same tax bracket because wow, it is hot. But yeah, I think I'm ready. I don't know, but today I literally feel like a girl in her 20s because do you see the hairstyle? Do you see the dress? I feel good. Let's change the jeans. It's the scent literally of the year because I've been wearing this. Let's put on this clip because the hair was looking a little bit weird.
Sometimes I look around for someone who might understand it. Seen it in their eyes that they'll never get it. I think I lost my patience. Now I can't contain it. They were wrong about us. It's the way they paint it.
You don't know where the Nelson is.
It's on campus, but I don't know where.
It's somewhere that side. Oh, this is cute. It is. Expected. I think that would be fun. Every day. What the heck? Look what just came in. We have an air fryer, guys. The possibilities are endless. It looks so big. What the? Oh my. What the actual? I can't believe we have an air fryer now. First things first, obviously let's get chicken nuggets. Got 2 types of cottage cheese because it was on special. Bacon grillers. Air fryer cooking cups. I'm pretty sure this is small, but it's fine. I want to cook today, so I bought some mints. And then last but not least, maple syrup. Kudos to Checkers, they gave me this chocolate for free because it's currently holidays. Like, I'm still doing my hair, so I'm just gonna pack this in the fridge and then I'll be back when I make lunch. Today we're having a salad. I'm gonna try to make this chicken nuggets with the salad. Dinner we're gonna cook mincemeat. Today is, what day is it today? I think it's Saturday today. I think it's Saturday today. But yeah. We have, how does this thing work? Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Yeah. What do you mean I have an air fryer? Moment of truth. I already took a sip because it was I already took a sip because it wasn't filming, but cut the cameras. It tastes a bitter, not bitter, but it doesn't taste great. I think it's the peach from this juice and the cranberry is not mixing well. Maybe I should have tried it with this juice first because that's what I wanted to try it. Yeah, my first mocktail is a fail.
I saw you a 2D for you, but it hasn't now. Oh, do you do? Zipper down the middle. Fashion's a fluctuating thing, huh? Oh, brand new whippy. Oh, nice. But it's a tad big. Laying a smaller. A lot of work into it. Check the survey notes. Who wrote it?
I did.
Why?
It's topical. It affects every student. It's
You should have future performance.
why does anyone call that a
What's with this?
I just need 5 more minutes. Don't rush here.
It is good, but I do think that I should have used like not a concentrated juice. I think I should try to use like a normal like orange juice or mango juice. But this food, y'all, I'm gonna have my first taste. A little bit spicy. A little bit spicy in the sauce. Let's try the veggies. Okay. Could you use some seasoning on the veggies? But it's well cooked. And then the moment of truth of the chicken. It kind of burned. It burned on like some sides, but then other sides look fine, which I don't understand. But moment of truth, y'all. It is well cooked. Like literally, I'd say 8 out of 10. It's really good.